The secret of best carbonara lies in its sauce. So today I'm going to share with you my recipe from my kitchen, how to make the carbonara sauce. So first of all, we need 50 grams of butter, 3 cloves of chopped garlic, and now we're going to saute our garlic until it becomes brown and aromatic, and also for our butter to be melted. And after this, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and we continue to mix it until our flour become melted and dissolved with the butter. And after this, we're going to add in with 400 ml of water, and then we continue to whisk it until it becomes thicker. And then we add in 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley, and that's all my seasoning, guys. I don't use any magic syrup or ajinomoto. And now we add in some black pepper, and we continue to whisk it. And after that, we add in 1 cup of whipping cream. You can either use double cream too. And then we continue to mix it until the mixture becomes thoroughly mixed. And once the sauce starts to boil, that means our sauce is ready, and you just can pour this sauce into a boiled pasta, and you can top up with fried chicken, and voila, you got very nice, the best carbonara at home. So thank you guys for watching.